For after 2 years of owning the car, I have finally started putting the engine together. It's been sitting on a stand for about a year after the machine shop. And the reason that I'm doing this is because my partner has his nearly fully assembled for his 2G. It's a 97, or it's a 95, but we put the 2GB stuff on it, the body panels. Yeah, there's a bumper up there from a 2GA, and there's a bumper up there from a 2GA, and there's a bumper up there from my 1GA. So this is the motor for my 1GA. 6 bolt, half a mil over. Don't judge me. I'm using DNJ rebuild stuff at first, but I've got some Eagle rods on the back burner. Gonna get some CP pistons, gonna get an Eagle forged crank. I'm gonna build it, either this one again or another one. Probably another one. So this was a bare block, pretty much, with a crank in it yesterday. I've got most of the stuff together, and the reason that this is a pain is because the bolts have been in a box for over a year. So that's okay. I got a nice clean surface. It doesn't look like a clean towel, but it's a clean towel. I got a nice clean surface. I've got this head right here, and I've got that head right there. Both of them are for a 6 bolt. I'm trying to decide at the moment which one to use. This one has a fairly clean decked surface that was installed for I don't know how long, but it's still nice and clean. Yeah, it has some dimples from the head gasket, a stock style head gasket that was put on it. But that one just dumped over a bolt bucket. Whatever. This one, there goes the bolt. That one, not as good of shape. So I'm thinking I'm going to take all the good part. I have 2 other head castings for a 6 bolt. Most of them missing pieces. So I'm going to take the good parts from this head and put it in that head casting. Also because this one has a Healy coil on one of the bolts, and I put a bolt in it. Where did I put it? There, this one. Somebody Healy coiled this one, and I just set a random stud in there to mark. I'll grab it later, but dang it. Not at a standstill. I just need to figure out more stuff to do. 14B, still in good shape. Good valve cover, not cracked. Got the tool to do the valves. I'll report back when I have some more progress, I guess. Because I just cleaned off the oil pan, and whoever decided to put RTV black on the outside of the bolt holes on every single bolt hole on the oil pan, you can eat a D. Yeah, eat a D. I'm not happy with that. So, oil pan's gonna get a fresh coat of paint. This oil pan, because there's no big old dent in it. And yes, you can see I took the wire brush to it, give it some texture, because I'm going to give this a coat of paint. And I cleaned off all the silicone on both sides. Whoever decided to put silicone on the bolt heads on a 6-bolt on a red and black 1990 Eclipse, they can eat a D. 7-bolt. He's got all of his stuff too. Cool. Peace.